Today's coach's tip has to do with the self-defense aspect of karate. So we would like you to attack your child, and we want you to be gentle so that they can practice their self-defense moves. One of the simplest ways of attacking them is just to throw some very light, slow punches at them or slaps. And what they would do is they would do their blocks against those movements. If they don't block, you just lightly touch them upside the head or on top of the head. You can do some straight punches too. Just be careful you don't hit them or hurt them. If you do hit them, it's got to be very soft, very light. So that's one way that we sometimes practice in karate. Another way that you can practice with them is by half mooning and doing a punch like this. Half mooning means that we just step forward and punch. When you do the punch to them, for this one you won't hit them, you'll just come very close. If they don't block it, you say, hey, I got you. Let's try that again. And they have different set techniques that they do to counter punches. Another way is to grab them. As part of the students' curriculum, they learn lots of defenses against grabs. One of the grabs is the double lapel grab, and you just be grabbing their shirt and asking them to escape. The curriculum grabs are pretty straightforward. If you went to the KarateProDojo website and you click on the belt that your child has, it will list the different movements that they have to know. Front choke is one of them. That means that you'll be in front of them and you'll put your hands on their neck like you're choking them. You're not going to strangle them. You're going to be very gentle, and they're going to practice their move to escape. Another one is the double wrist grab. So you're just going to grab both wrists, and then they'll escape. Another one is the back choke. That means that you're behind them, towards their back, and you're trying to choke them from behind. And then they'll wrap up, push away, and escape. So these are all movements that your children practice in class, but it will be helpful if you attack them at home so that they can get better practice with a partner. Again, we want to be gentle. We don't want to hurt them. If they're doing the move really hard to you, you have to let them know that they're hurting you as well and that they have to be gentle. So it goes both ways. Helps us develop our coordination, our self-control, our body awareness when we're training with partners. We don't want the partner to hurt us, we don't want to hurt them. Now you can gradually get a little stronger with your attack as you see that they're developing better skill sets. We don't want to be really hard on them when they haven't learned the move good enough to do it properly. We have to help them get better. So slow at first, and then if they're doing really good with that, then we go a little faster. Telegraph at first. Then if they start to get that, then we maybe don't telegraph as much. A little quicker, a little stronger. So that's today's Sensei's tip. I want you to attack your child, help them out by grabbing them or punching at them or even kicking at them, and see how they respond. One thing that sometimes parents neglect this, and you have to remember there's going to be a time in your child's life where they may encounter a bully that's going to push them, shove them, roughhouse with them, and if they've never experienced this, it's going to really freak them out, and they're not going to know how to deal with it. So when you're practicing these things with your child, they become more comfortable with it, and it's not going to hurt them as badly in the future if somebody ever try to attack them or bully them. They're going to have a better understanding of their own control and what they can do, as well as what the opponent is trying to do to them. Thank you. That's today's coach's tip. I hope you enjoyed it.